Let's explore how to reset your digestive system using nature's most powerful remedies. Not long ago, I hit my breaking point. Another night of bloating, another morning of nausea, and no energy to face the day. I was tired of depending on pills that only masked the symptoms. I wanted real healing, not a band-aid, so I made a choice. For just one day, I decided to listen to my body and let nature lead. No processed food, no coffee, no reaching for the medicine cabinet. Instead, I turned to healing herbs, gentle foods, and habits that have been trusted for centuries. What happened next shocked me. Within hours, the discomfort started to fade. My stomach felt lighter. My energy came back. And for the first time in weeks, I felt good. That one day changed everything.